Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Canva to Notion. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step, we need to open up Canva. This can be web version or the app on your PC or laptop. So from here, we need to go ahead and click on the share button. So I want to go ahead and embed this. So click on share, and then from here, we want to go ahead and click on see all. Now more options are going to appear. Now what we're looking for is the embed button. So that's it here, embed. So we want to go ahead and click onto that. And now click on the second option here, copy that. And now head back over to Notion. Now we want to go ahead and paste the embed here. So we need to type /em and then click onto embed. So this is going to go embed. So this is for PDFs, Google Maps, and much more. And now the embed link, we need to paste in that link here and click on embed link. And now that's going to connect Canva to Notion by embedding it directly into Notion.